Beyond our galaxy. Hey, Gal, are you there? Yeah, Nick, I'm still here. Can you believe it? We're finally doing our final series of this show. Yeah, Nick, it's hard to believe it's been 10 years already doing these shows. So, Gal, don't you think we should rescue Ptolemy from the Borg? Why, Nick? He had the whole world believing a lie. But, Gal, he's human like us. We humans tend to err at times, you know. True, Nick. What do you think we should do then? Well, maybe we can enlist the help of Captain Kirk and Mr. Spock to rescue him for us. Whoa! What do you think, Mr. Spock? Can you and Captain Kirk rescue Ptolemy? I find this conversation fascinating, Gal. Simply fascinating. Mr. Spock, who are these Borgs? Did we ever have them on our shows at all? I don't know, Captain. I believe these aliens are what you call AI, or artificial intelligence. Hey, Kirk, watch this. I can read that last line on the eye chart. N, P, X, T, Z, F, and H. How about those apples? Whoa, that was pretty good, Borgman, but I have something up my sleeve for you. Bring it on, Kirk. We Borg simply love challenges. Kirk, Spock, please save me from these Borgs. And the journey continues. We humans indeed live in a great big universe. We are inspired by the sheer size of it all. There are billions of stars and billions of galaxies waiting out there for us humans to discover and study. And the further out we look into our universe, the farther back we are looking in time as well. One could say that our universe goes on and on into infinity. The definition of infinity is this: the concept of something that is unlimited, endless, and without boundaries. Our universe is also continually expanding farther and farther outwards. The sheer size of our universe is simply mind-baffling to the human mind. There are literally billions of things to see and study in the night sky. The next few pictures are just some of the many things we humans can explore in the night sky with excitement. So, pour yourself a warm cup of coffee and sit right back down in your easy chair, relax, and enjoy. The journey continues. There were many astronomers who discovered how awesome our universe really is. We are going to be talking about some of these astronomers in the next few pictures. American astronomer Edward P. Hubble, 1885 to 1953. He concludes that our universe is expanding and becomes a famous astronomer for doing so. He does this while working at the Mount Wilson Observatory in California. Here is a picture of astronomer Hubble with his colleagues standing in front of the Mount Wilson Observatory. There is one famous person in this picture who was and is a famous scientist. Can you pick him out? It is a man standing in the front row without a hat. Albert Einstein. Einstein discovers the theory of relativity. Hubble discovered 1373 Cincinnati, seen in this picture in the shaded area. This is an asteroid in a comet-like orbit. Hubble discovers this on August 30th, 1935 at Mount Wilson Observatory. The Hubble Space Telescope was launched into space on board the Space Shuttle Discovery on April 22, 1990. The cost of this endeavor was about $4.7 billion. Here is a picture of the Hubble Space Telescope being released by Discovery. For some 30 years now, the Hubble Space Telescope has discovered awesome things in our universe and taken thousands of pictures for us humans to enjoy. Here are some of those many pictures Hubble Space Telescope has taken that we are going to be showing in the next few pictures. So get yourself a warm cup of coffee and maybe two for these next several pictures and sit right back down in the easy chair, relax, and enjoy. Our second astronomer we now will briefly talk about is Italian astronomer Galileo. Italian astronomer Galileo, 1564 to 1642. Astronomer, mathematician, physics, engineering, natural philosophy. Galileo is famous for discovering the 4 large moons of Jupiter and proving that the heliocentric theory of the solar system is the correct model. This is a picture of the 4 large moons of Jupiter Galileo discovered. These are the 4 largest moons of Jupiter that are Europa, Io, Ganymede, Callisto. Indeed, when Galileo perfected the telescope, he observed many awesome things in our universe. This is what Galileo saw through his telescope. He observed the small but large moons orbiting around the bigger object being Jupiter. He concluded the heliocentric model that astronomer Copernicus suggested was correct. The Sun, being the biggest object in the solar system, was at the center, while the smaller objects, being the planets, orbited around it. Our third and final astronomer we are going to talk about is Clyde Tombaugh. American astronomer Clyde Tombaugh, 1908 to 1997. Occupation, astronomer. Astronomer Tombaugh discovers the last planet in the solar system called Pluto. He does this by using photographic plates taking pictures on different times. It was finally confirmed on February 18, 1930, that Pluto was a planet. Here is a picture of the photographic plate of Pluto that Tombaugh used. He discovers Pluto at the Lowell Observatory in Flagstaff, Arizona. Planet Pluto. Pluto was a planet for almost 76 years until the International Astronomical Union demoted it in 2006. Pluto was demoted to being a dwarf planet because of the way it acted as it orbited around the Sun. A dwarf planet is considered to be like an asteroid. Well, it's time to show some awesome pictures of our universe. So get yourself a warm cup of coffee, sit right back down in the easy chair, relax and enjoy. And the journey continues. We are now going to explore some of the awesome things that can be found in our awesome universe. Our next topic found in our awesome universe is called stars. What makes studying stars fun is that there are different stars and colors of them to see. Stars can be found in galaxies, constellations, and just about anywhere in the universe. On a clear night, they can be light up the sky and make us look at them in awe and excitement. The next picture shows what different colors, sizes, and temperatures stars can be. Here is a chart showing 7 different colors of stars and what they are and the temperatures of them as well. Here is another picture of stars and notable different colors of stars to see. Can you identify what the different kind of colored stars are seen in this picture? The next picture is a constellation where stars form a pattern. Can you name what the constellation is? Can you identify this constellation? It is a constellation called Orion the Hunter. The 2 most popular stars in this constellation is Rigel and Betelgeuse. Rigel is the bright orange star seen in the top left part of this constellation. Betelgeuse is the bluish star seen in the bottom of the right part of this picture. When one can identify all the constellations seen in the night sky, astronomy becomes more fun and exciting. We are now going to briefly talk about galaxies. There are literally billions of galaxies to view in our awesome universe. Our closest galaxy in our universe is called the Andromeda Galaxy, seen here in this picture. It is located some 2.5 light years away. There are 4 different kinds of galaxies found in our observable universe. 1 elliptical, 2 spiral, 3 spiral barred, and 4 irregular. There are many comets found in our universe as well. One of the most popular comets discovered in our universe is this one seen in this picture. Halley's Comet, discovered by British astronomer Edmund Halley in 1683. This comet has been seen at least 5 times throughout history: 1682, 1758, 1835, 1910, and 1986. Halley's Comet won't be seen again until the year of 2061. There are many moons found in our solar system that are awesome to view and study. The Earth's moon is about 238,900 miles away from Earth. But one of the most interesting moons in the solar system is this one called Enceladus. Enceladus has geysers that make it interesting to view and study. With 3 moons in the inner planets, there are over 200 moons in the outer planet. Indeed, there are billions of things to see and study in our awesome universe. We are going to view some more awesome pictures of our awesome universe, so get yourself another warm cup of coffee and sit right back down there in the easy chair, relax, and enjoy. We are now going to briefly talk about 3 more awesome objects found in our awesome universe. Black holes. A black hole is an object formed with a hole in it like this one, moving somewhere across the universe. This black hole sucks up everything into it like stars and light and does not allow anything to escape from it. This object could be a potential doomsday machine for Earth if one sometime would enter our own solar system. Quasars. A quasar is a radio wave emitting from a bright light that flows out from a black hole seen here in this picture. The light that flows out from the black hole is so bright it diminishes the light from other nearby stars. The light that comes from the center of the quasar called AGN, short for accretion galactic nuclei. Pulsars. Our third and final object in the universe we now will briefly talk about is called a pulsar. The definition of a pulsar is this: a celestial object that could be a rotating neutron star emitting radio waves in the form of light, rotating at a speed of 1,000 times per second. The pulsar is the shining lighthouse in our universe. Well, that is all for today's show. Only time will tell what we humans will find when we look into the night sky and beyond our galaxy.